how to turn on or turn off media volume limit. And this is for the media volume or even while you have a connected headphones or even connected Bluetooth audio devices. Let's go ahead and get started. This is for Samsung phones with either Android 13 or Android 14. To find the media volume limit here, use the quick panel access here and tap on the settings icon right there. Once you're in this section here, go down until you see sounds and vibration. As you enter here, you'll go to where it says volume, this section right here. Once there, you'll see these three dots up here at the top right. Tap on that one time and you'll see media volume limit. This here now, basically, if you wanted to turn it off and get your maximum volume all the time when you're listening to videos or songs or even using headphones or Bluetooth, this here will put a limit to it. And if you don't want it putting a limit onto the volume, you'll turn it off. But if you want to play it safe for your ears, you don't want it blasting in your ears as you put on your headphones or suddenly the audio starts playing and you don't know, you want to make sure that this is turned on. You can also choose to set a pin here, and of course you'll have to input it in and then create your own password. This is going to be different from the lock screen password. Okay, and you can come back here and disable these at any given time, like and sub.